Uyu nake etagwo Elias Mutugi Njau Jeru.
Florence Wanjiku, a mother of two, was attacked by one Elias Njeru Mutugi.
Aige aitu nitwakorwo tukiurania Elias Mutugi Njero no makire ni undu wa thaka wa thuti ciake na ndeto ici riu cia magigi tutangihota kunyitithania na thuti icio twakorwo tukia makinya manini thutha wa social media ciake na twakorwo tugitawo kwate he was once married to a beautiful girl Roslyn Wairimu for more than a few years, and together they had two daughters. Bishashia Elias na Roslyn ni akoretwo agishare online na kuonania their beautiful family towards kira twakorwo tukiona ta end of their marriage. Elias stopped posting his family na Roslyn, and later he went a little bit missing on his posting, but later he appeared goko kanitha wa JCM pulpit as a darling pastor where he was adored by many and took the role ya development leader.
Na najua account itakuwa tayari na wape bill itakuwa tayari.
And who is Florence Wanjiku before meeting Elias Njero? Kulingana na arata ake, she is an investor, and before they met na Elias, she was a mama of one. No thutha wa gukorwo makinyitana na Elias magikorwo makiigithia thiini wa biashara imwe, and later they were blessed na kana kamwe, and they became parents wa ciana igire, na ndeto ciagikorwo igiterefwo uhoro wigie ndugu yao gukorwo na maruru muno aspa mwaka wa 2021 ukinyagia ginya mwaka uyu wa 2024 ari riu maundu monekana kurituha muno na gugikinya haha ndeto ciagia magigi.
Them attacking me. I tried to drive off and run away. Unfortunately, kawanga gari yake nyuma. I locked the door, but the window was open. So kazima gari na kuchukua funguo. He proceeded hitting me on the head.
Kuratuika ni undu wa thogothogo cia ndugu ino yao. Florence had left a house they shared together na Elias, and muthenya waira they had met to discuss way forward ya biashara yao na their 1-year baby they shared together, but things turned around very quick and dangerous thutha wa Florence gukorwo akiuga ati ndugu ino ni aigana na kwira Njero arenda matigane. Elias has been reported gukorwo akiri a free man even after gukorwo agika ciiko ici cia witangi wa thakame na cia magigi na urathoni muno. More details cia korwo igi service ati after the hospital kana after Florence gukorwo akihanyukio thibitari muthenya waira, mundu uyu ugwitwo Elias nyarakorirwo akimufuata thutha kenda kuona Florence kuria thibitari. He was demanding, but marigitari kuona ni marakoretwo makimenyithia what had happened, maragikorwo makimugiria gugitweka he ran afterwards to muci uyu. Florence aragithameire ha apartment na arakorwo akidemand gukorwo akineo mwana wao, but neighbors marakorwo makirega na makimuigata. Andu aguko social media, hutheria social media magikorwo makiuga he's really boosting about connections ciake, akiuga ati wegutirio ndugukorwo ukimuhanikila allegedly, but nituona atongoria a siasa celebrities kuma guothe bururi-ini makiyumiria condemning this act. Bila shaka ni undu twagirire gukorwo tukinyitanira to end this evil acts against women. Ni ndeto ciagikorwo igitiga bururi utihagitio muno. Make sure ni turn on your notification niguo gathie na mbere na kwamukira ndeto makeria.